We have an alcohol-free clarifying toner that does it all. The Squalane BHA Pore-Minimizing Toner is a daily purifying treatment to smooth skin texture and improve the appearance of pores. This formula is perfect at dislodging and exfoliating away excess oil, dirt, and debris while also quenching your skin. Meet the toner that combines ancient wisdom with modern technology. First, we have a powerful BHA willowbark extract. It's a salicylic acid alternative that deeply exfoliates each pore without causing any irritation. Then we pair this with a powerful mix of caviar lime extract, a gently exfoliating AHA, and our 100% squalane oil. This combination is gentle and effective for skin resurfacing and complete hydration. We like to call this a modern toner, perfect for all skin types, especially oily to blemish-prone skin. It's also quite exceptional for anyone who wants an even skin tone or is seeking overall skin clarity. It can be used morning or night right after your cleansing step. There are a few ways to use this toner depending on the level of exfoliation you'd like to experience. For lighter exfoliation, you can dispense a few drops into the palm of your hand and press into your skin until fully absorbed. If you're looking for deeper exfoliation, you can pour some toner onto a reusable cotton pad and sweep over your face and neck. This toner is one of my personal favorite Biossance products. It's so effective at deep cleaning my pores and leaves my skin smooth and refreshed. It smells phenomenal and it's perfect for you if you want radiant, clear, and even skin.